it's been a minute. Got everything done at the home front. It's about noon, so I'm gonna head to SPI. Not sure where I'm gonna launch yet, but we'll see what happens. Whew. First red of the day, guys. All right, first red of the day. Fishing here in some backwater areas. I had to bring my measuring stick like an idiot, but we're not keeping fish, so we'll just have some fun. This guy's hooked pretty good. Let me get back with you guys. All right, first fish of the day. Here you go, buddy. Let's see if we can get some more. Some birds working up ahead. There we go. Ah. Mr. Man. All right. Oh, man. right, folks, I'm taking it back in. Today was an interesting day. Only landed one redfish, but man, we caught a bunch of redfish. I think the lesson of the day was don't count your chickens before they hatch. Yeah, I hooked up on so many reds, and I think just really out of impatience, I think trying to catch more fish, you know, I ended up losing the fish. So if you take away one thing, it's just, you know, have patience. Even in, you know, when you see these schools and these birds working, you know, just secure one at a time. But I'll leave you all with that. We'll catch y'all later.